Hi guys, it's me again, and surprise, I'm gonna be showing you, soon, what we're gonna do, okay? I don't know why, but I have to, okay? So, bye. No, not bye. I'm going to be showing you TV. Actually, Minecraft. Okay. Just come with me, and I'll show you all around. So I'm just going to show you guys around. Just have a look. This is outside. Just showing everyone. Just say hi.
Hi.
Wait.
Oh. Hello. How are you?
Just showing my viewers. Around. My dog. And really is my little living room. Whatever. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you Minecraft now. Because it's like the most amazing thing. So let's go. Let's have a look around.
Did you finish your sausage roll?
Yes. Okay. Now, where's your phone? Because I need to show you the video of this.
At the moment it's charging, it was empty completely.
Okay. So guys, I'm just going to be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I'm going to be showing you something better than normal. See apps. Whoops. Apps. Okay, so I'm going to be back.
One of the greatest civilizations in the history of mankind will come back to life.
So just have a look.
Alright, so I'm here in my cozy little tent, in my brand new campsite. But we're going to want to find a better place for this plane. Obviously, we don't want it in the
But if I have internet, yeah.
we want a little bit more of an open area. So right out here looks like it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and build it right about here. So to start, you want 5 blocks of wool. I'm using red. You can use whatever color you want your plane to be. And then 3 carpets. 3 more carpets. 3 on top. 3 on top again. And next we're going to make the propeller. Now this is a little bit tricky, so bear with me. But first, place in an item frame. Then a wooden hoe and rotate it till it's about that angle. Actually, exactly that angle. Now, aim at the block, not the item frame, but the block that the item frame is on, and right click, and you'll see your hand move, indicating that you placed another item frame. It's in the same spot, but you can't see it. So to access it, we need to log out and log back in, which will reset the positions of the item frames. So we're going to save and quit, and then log back in. Right click and you'll see another one pop up. Rotate that, and then we're going to repeat. So item frame, out, log back in, right click. Doesn't always work. If it doesn't, try it again. There we go. Rotate it. Another one. There we go. Last one. Okay, this time we're going to put a button in. See, it rotated one of our posts, so rotate it back. Try again. Rotate another one, rotate it back. This could take a few tries. Doesn't always reset the position of the item frame that you want it to. Try moving a little bit. Nope. Normally it doesn't take this many tries, just to let you know. I'm just having some really bad luck with it for some reason. Not entirely sure why. Try aiming at the side of the block, maybe. There we go. Alright, so that gives us the nose of the propeller. So it took quite a few tries, but we finally got it. Now we've got a propeller. So the next thing we're going to do is put a rail on top. That just acts as our machine gun. We've got our double barrel here. And then want to look down there and place a boat. And wait for it to sink. There it goes.
I'm just going
It
to
might
do it.
shift a little bit, but it
Taking my
should settle
time here.
eventually. So we're going to put another brick fence there. Carpet there. Carpet there. That gives us our tail. Boat's still sliding around. It's getting annoying. Fly up a little bit. There we go. Wait for it to sink. There we go. Alright, so we have our small fighter plane. Very simple, very easy to build. You can actually get in it. You'll sink down to the level of the rail, which is, in this case, our machine gun.
Can you do this quickly?
Obviously can't fly it, obviously doesn't shoot bullets, but nonetheless,